Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Katie's Garage. I thought I would do something a little bit different this time and show you a restoration process of how I go from having a really nasty interior part to a pretty decent one.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
This box, as you can see, is totally nasty and beat up and gross. The hinges were broken, it was missing the CD tray, there was just a ton of missing parts and it just looked nasty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with all the tips and tricks on how to make your 90s import look way better. So you can see that this has a lot of oxidation and scratching, so I'm going to give it a good thorough clean, and then I'm going to try a gloss dressing and see if that kind of helps soak in. And if it still doesn't work with that, I have one more thing that we can try with heat to see if we can get this to come back. Alright, so this is the product I'm using. It's a gloss dressing, also by Legendary. It provides UV protection and conditions without it looking super greasy. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and I've got another clean towel here. And let's see what we've got. And it smells really, really good, by the way. It's better, but I still don't think that's going to be the ticket for this guy. And we're back. My battery died. So next thing I'm going to try is a hairdryer, and just going to hit these spots lightly and see what happens. I don't have a heat gun, so hairdryer it is. Nope, still not working, so we're gonna say that this is the best we can do. I'm sure that there are other ways to try to fix this, maybe with more heat, but I would rather be safe than sorry, so we're gonna just leave it as is. Most of this is covered by the seats anyway, so it's not a huge deal. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take out these switches. And this guy, super easy. Wow, that's disgusting. There's just a couple little tabs that you just kind of squeeze in on all four sides, and then the switch will just pop right out through the front. The other one is exactly the same, but the writing is just a little more legible on here, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one and get rid of the other one. So now this is pretty much completely stripped down. I have the stoppers that will go back into here, going with the Legendary interior cleaner. This stuff is my absolute favorite for everything in the car. Not sponsored, not an ad, I just really like it. It works so good. There we go. Yep. Worked. Yeah. Okay. That one's in. Follow the gunk in there. Toothbrush. That's key on stuff like that. Right. Remember that the control names go towards you as you're driving. And there we go. We got the new switches in. The other thing I did was I did put the hinge from the parts car onto this lid because the other one was completely busted off. And let's do the fun part, which is dumping out the box. There's a whole bunch of really nasty things inside, so we're going to go ahead and dump that for you, and you get to see how much is in there. So just for fun, take a guess in the comments below on how much change you think is going to come out of this CD holder. Here you go. All the nasty goodies in there. I'm gonna try to take this bottom part off, and then I'm just gonna scrub the whole thing because it smells nasty. Look. I don't know if you guys can see that. Might be cat pee. It's all stuck. Ugh. Oh yeah. I probably should be wearing gloves. Gonna take out these precious wipes. Worth a pretty penny on the street right now. Alright, but wait, there's more. Okay, so for the new clips, they look like this, and if you want to order some for yourself, it's part number 90468-04147, and that will be in the description below. You can still get these from Toyota. I don't know how many are left, but they're there. There is a little tab right inside there, and you want to get this hooked in there. Go. Alright, let's count the change. There you go. $1.42 and change. So if you are looking for parts for your 90 to 93 Toyota Celica, make sure to check out the Celica shop. We have a whole bunch of OEM parts in stock, including used and new parts, and we also have got some really sweet teas, if I may say so myself. So that's the celicashop.com. It helps support the build, and also it's just cool to rep the 5th gen Celica. I am going to go ahead and recover this and hopefully give a nicer center console box to somebody else who needs it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know some of you have said you'd rather see progress over perfection, so I thought I would just get this video out to you before I have everything 100% complete. I'm going to be aiming really hard to get new videos out at least once a week, and let's grow this channel. Let's do this thing. If you want to support this channel a little bit more, you can get merch like this. celicashop.com. Shop the merch. Check it out. See you next time.
Is there